guys, it's your girl Alaxy Adams. I know there's been a break in between. Yes, I took a week break due to minor health issues, but I am back now healthy and strong. And I am happy and glad to have you here with me today. And on today's episode of Get Inspired with Alaxy Adams, I'll be sharing with you how to break out of bad habits for a better life. We all have habits, some good, some bad. But let's be real, breaking bad habits isn't easy. You tell yourself, this is the last time. But somehow you find yourself right back where you started. Sounds familiar? If you're tired of feeling stuck in a cycle, this video is for you. So today I'll be discussing how to break free from bad habits and transform your life for better. No flop, just real practical steps that work. So let's go. Step one on our list is acknowledge and identify the habit. You see, you can't change what you don't recognize. Was that one habit holding you back? Maybe it's procrastination, overspending, unhealthy eating, or negative talk. Whatever it is, own it. Grab a journal and write down, what is the habit? When do you do it? How does it make you feel afterward? Because awareness is first step to change. Step two, find your why. Breaking a bad habit is hard, but when your reason is strong enough, you'll push through. Ask yourself, why do I want to change? How will my life improve? Who will benefit from this change? Maybe you want to quit smoking to live longer for your kids, or break free from social media addiction to be more present with loved ones. Whatever it is, find a reason that moves you emotionally. Step three, replace, don't just remove. Nature hates a vacuum. If you simply try to stop a bad habit without replacing it, you will likely relapse. So instead, swap it out. Replace late night snacking with drinking water or journaling. Replace doom scrolling with reading or a quick workout. Replace negative self-talk with daily affirmation. Make it easy for your brain to transition. Step 4, change your environment. Your surroundings shape your behavior. If your environment tempts you, change it. Struggling with overspending? Remove shopping apps from your phone, pad, or laptop. Trying to eat healthier? Keep junk food out of your house. I really need to take this particular advice. Want to stop procrastinating? Designates a distraction-free workspace. Set yourself up for success by making the right choice, the easy choice. Step 5, accountability and support. You don't have to do this alone. Tell a friend, join a support group, or get an accountability partner. When someone checks in on you, you're more likely to stay on track. And if you slip up, don't hide it. Learn from it. Growth happens in the process, not in perfection. Step 6, be patient and celebrate small wins. Breaking a bad habit takes time. You won't always get it right, but every step forward counts. Celebrate progress, not just perfection. If you went a week without your bad habit, acknowledge it. If you made a better choice today, appreciate it. The little wins build momentum for the big ones. So lastly on this episode, I would like to pass a word of advice. Breaking bad habits isn't about willpower, it's about strategy, consistency, and self compassion. You have the power to change your life, one habit at a time. So start today, start now. Your future self is cheering you on, and I'm rooting out for you. So that's a wrap for this episode. I am happy and glad you've all been able to watch till the end of today's episode. And I would like for us to put all what I've shared and said into practice and watch how you break out of that bad habit. So until we meet again on our next episode, I remain my humble self, Alaxy Adams. Love you all. Bye bye.